This is why the market could crash further even though it has already dropped so much. So right now on the screen, I have this thing with me called an S&P 500 index. And this S&P 500 actually it tracks the 500 big listed companies in US, the share price movement and etc. And what is happening here is we can see there is a trend in the past 10 years that whenever the price touches blue color line, it tends to rebound. You see, touch blue color line, rebound, touch blue color line, rebound, touch blue color line, and when it doesn't rebound, it could drop very seriously. But in this time, there was a Federal Reserve coming in to stimulate the economy, lower down interest rate, and the share market rebounded very quickly. Now, the market has crashed to a point where it touched a blue color line again. So, in this situation, is it an opportunity to buy? Hey, then you'll be thinking, hey, Meng Teck, but you were saying market dropped so much and there's a chance it could drop further. Why are you saying that? Well, if you look at past 10 years, should be now, it's a blue color line and rebounding should be like a great timing, right? Well, that could be true if it's just based on the past 10 years. What if we zoom further, right? 2000 to 2003, 2007 to 2009. And when we see what's happening here is the share price touched a blue color line, it cannot act as a support. It broke below the blue color line, and after that there is a very severe crash. And in year 2007, the market was starting to go down, and in year 2008, it touched the blue color line, overshoot a little bit, rebound, touch the blue color line, overshoot, rebound. So it has been testing that a few times, and after that, it dropped below the blue color line. Once it dropped below the blue color line, look at how dramatic and severe is the crash. And what I realized is the price tends to drop below the blue color line when it's a big issue like economic recession, subprime mortgage crisis, dot-com bubble bursting, or in year 2020, where we have the lockdown. In my experience, now is one of the time where there's a lot of big issues such as inflation, rising interest rate, and potential recession next year. There is a chance that market could drop below the blue color line. So my question to you is, what is your game plan? What happens to your investment portfolio, to your investment income, if market do this? If we break below the blue color line and have a very severe drop? Are you gonna just get stuck and become a victim? Now, the whole point I'm saying this is not to spread fear, but it's to empower you with the right knowledge and the strategy to not just get stuck and make losses in this market, but actually be able to protect yourself and profit from this situation if it happens. The key in order to do that well is to discover how to do this thing called shorting the market. A lot of investors in Malaysia, they only know how to make money if the share price go up. But what if we have a bear market like this for 1 or 2 years? Then you will only be suffering in the market, keep on getting stuck and lose more and more. But the question is, how do you do that? A lot of people don't know how to. If you want to discover how to do that, I've got a good news for you. I have a free upcoming training where I'll share with you what are the downtrend strategies that I'm using to profit from the share price crashing. The more it crashed, potentially the more I could make. So how do we do that? Join my free training, click the button below, register, and I'll share that with you. Not only that, I'll also share with you my game plan to come up from this market crash with a great profit. So what is that? I'll give a very quick overview here, but in detail, I'll share that in my free training that you can register at the button below. So step 1 is, I'm not gonna risk the market rebounding and me not having bought anything. So that's why I've already invested quite a sizable amount of my money in case market rebound from this blue line. So I'm not saying market gonna crash for sure, but I have a bias that there is a possibility it could crash like this. But knowing that there's a chance that market could rebound as well, I want to make sure I can capture that. So that's step number 1. But I actually have a short-term portfolio. Short-term portfolio where I do this thing called shorting the market, where if the market crash, I could make a great return from the downwards movement. And with the profits that I make here, I could use the profit to average down my position, so when market recover, I could make a huge return. And the benefit of this is I don't even need to add new capital to it. Like a lot of investors right now, maybe they already averaged down a lot, maybe they don't have new capital anymore, and now they are stuck. How do we, even without adding new capital, if market crash, still can make profit, and not only that, have more capital to buy cheap stocks so that when market rebound, we make a lot. That is what I'll share about in detail at my upcoming training. All you need to do, if this sounds good to you, is just click on the button below and register and join my training, and you'll be able to discover my game plan in detail. I hope to see you at my live training. Once again, my name is Ming Teck. I hope you enjoyed watching this video as much as I've enjoyed making it for you. See you at my training. Bye bye.